Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome. Today on Friday, December the 6th, 2024. Told you earlier. We have a speed test. The first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test without comments, without instructions. We have here three regular puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now I will do the speed test. Yes, the speed test. And the first one is the 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 9708. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright. So let's get started without comments, without instructions. Let's get started. Okay. 8888888. Need a 2 here. 93. Okay. Need a 5 here. Come on. 6. 6, 5, 1. Come on. 1. What's happening? 5. 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 7, 9. Okay. Yeah. 9. Come on. 5, 6. 6 here. 6. 6 there. Okay. 3 here. Come on. 1, 7. 5, 2. 2. Come on. 4. 3, 8. 8. Oh, this is not correct. Come on. Need an 8 here. 8. 8, 3, 1. So this should be a 9 here. 9. 9 here. 1, 8 and 3, 8. 8 and the 7. 5, 7, 3 and 4, 3, 4, 9. This is 9, okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 2. Need a 5 here. Oh, 5 here. 8 there. 8, 8. 8 here. 8 there. 8 here. 3 there. 3 there. 9 and a 4. 1 and a 7. 2 and a 4. 1. Need a 2 here. Here 4 and 7. Need a 7 here. Come on, 4, 4. 3. 2 numbers left. 1 and 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. 4. 2 and a 4 here. 7 and 1. 7. 2, 4. 2, 4, 9. Need a 9. 9, 4 and 2, 3. 9, 4. 2, 3, 3, 3. 1 and a 9. 7 minutes. Come on. 1, 9 and 4. 1, 9. This should be. Oh, we have a 1 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 7. 2. Need a 2 here or there. 1 box left. 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. 9, 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. 1, 9. This should be the 1. This should be the 9. 2 and 9. Finished. 8 minutes. 28. Minus 1 minute. 28. 6 minutes. Alright. We saw it again. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with another puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. This one will have, I believe, 24 printed digits. So it's a truly 4-star Sudoku. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in a minute. Bye bye for now.